Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to find your save files and config files for Star Trek Voyager Across the Unknown on PC. Let's get right into it. First, open any folder on your PC to access File Explorer. Now, go to your C drive, open the Users folder. Click on your username folder. Next, we need to open the App Data folder. If you don't see it, click the View tab at the top. Select Show. Click on Hidden Items. Once App Data appears, open it. Inside App Data, open the local folder. Find and open the folder named ST Voyager. Open the saved folder. Click on Save Games. Open the folder with the long number. This is where all your save game files are stored. You can back them up, move them, or delete them if needed. Now go back to the saved folder. Open the folder called Config. Open the Windows folder. Double-click GameUserSettings.ini. This file contains your game configuration settings, including graphics options and other preferences. And that's it. Now you know exactly where to find both your save files and config settings for Star Trek Voyager Across the Unknown on PC. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.